think I'm crazy. You're probably right, because I'm Crazy Caitlin.
And I'm Sassy Sierra.
I'm Sassy Sierra. And today we're going to be doing the worst pickup lines ever, basically.
By boys.
Yeah.
Part 1.
Hey baby, do you believe in love at first sight? Or should I walk past you again? Come on, we can work this out.
Get away from me.
Hey, if I followed you home, would you keep me? What? It's an honest question.
No. Get out of my property. Get away from my home. Go.
Hey, did you just fart?
Ew.
Because you
Excuse
blew me away.
Excuse me? No, I think you're smelling yourself.
It was supposed to be a compliment. You
That
know,
was
pickup
not a
line.
compliment.
Whatever, girls. Girl, you better have a license, because you're driving me crazy.
Oh.
Come on. Where are you going?
Away from you.
Can I get directions to your heart?
Goodbye.
What? Excuse me. Can you help me with something?
Sure, what?
There's a problem with my phone.
What?
Your number's in it.
You just take
Come on. Please.
No.
Women. Hey, baby. You know, my love for you is like diarrhea. I can't hold it in.
Ew.
That was romantic. How could you not like that? Hey, your eyes remind me of the ocean.
My eyes are brown.
Okay, well then they remind me of the Hudson River.
That's not a compliment.
If I say it's a compliment,
It's not a compliment.
how many other people have complimented your ocean blue eyes?
I don't have blue eyes. They're brown.
Well, whatever. Done now. I'm down. Hey, are you from Tennessee? Because you're only into icy.
I'm the only one around.
Doesn't mean you're not a 10.
Just don't talk to me.
Maybe an 8. 7 probably. Yeah, 7.
Oh, you are so. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm looking for treasure. I like around your chest. Women. Sure wants me. My love for you is like diarrhea. I can't. Hey, baby. My love for you is. I can't even say it. It's...
We should try a different line.
I forgot what it was.
Oh my god!
But I remember. Girl, you better have a license, because you're driving me crazy. I spudge lady. Hey. She broke it!
No, I didn't make it fix.
Did you break the mirror? Because, girl, that's 8 years bad luck.
7.
7 years bad luck. Hey, are you from 10? Because you're the only 10. What? What? Are you? Because you're the only. Get out the road. Because you're the only Tennessee eyes
Tennessee, I see. Now I'm a state. You call me fat?
No, I'm calling you country. Country. Are you from Tennessee? So I failed that miserably.
What? What?
Hey, it rhymes.
That's not how the pickup line goes.
Girl, I think I know that.